Hello guys, welcome to Tech Crazy. This is your friend Saurabh. Well guys, we all know that the year 2017 gonna bring a lot of high-tech smartphones, and in that Xiaomi's Mi6 and Samsung S8 are the leading one. They are most competitive to each other. So I thought let's make a video, and in that I'll be comparing Xiaomi's Mi6 with Samsung S8. We'll be talking about its features, their GPU, their camera and many other stuff. So as usual, without wasting any time, let us just get ready and watch the video till the very end. But before comparing them, I would like you to know that all the information that I have collected are from various sites and not from their respective official sites. Now let us first talk about its display. So the display of Samsung Galaxy S8 has Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 colors. Its size is 5.7 inches, whereas its resolution is 1440 into 2560. So the per pixel density is around 515. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for its protection, whereas the Mi6 is expected to have 5.2 inches 4K screen, which will give you an amazing experience, that is for sure. The resolution will be around 4096 into 2160, whereas its expected PPI is near 700. Now speed is the most important factor. Every phone should be well enough to store and load data easily. So talking about the chipset, Samsung S8 will be having Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, whereas Mi6 will also be having Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. But S8 will be running on quad-core processor, whereas Mi6 will be running on 16-core processor. So in this case, Mi6 is the leading one. Now the most important part which comes out here is camera. So S8 will be having 12MP primary camera, whereas its secondary camera will be of 8 megapixel. In case of Mi6, the primary camera will be around 23 megapixel, whereas its front camera will be around 7 megapixel. But as we know that Samsung is always known for its camera, so I won't think that Mi6 will be able to tackle its benchmark. Now comes the memory. So S8 will be coming up with internal memory of 64GB and 128GB, whereas Xiaomi Mi6 will be coming up with internal memory of 32GB, 64GB and 128GB. Both the smartphone will be having a hybrid SIM slot, in which the second SIM slot can be utilized for microSD card, which will be extended to 256GB. So the RAM of S8 will be around 8GB, whereas the RAM of Mi6 will be around 4GB and 6GB. But I think that 8GB will be more, so it won't be utilized at par. Now coming to the other features. So S8 will be running on 7.0 Nougat, whereas Mi6 will be running on 6.0 Marshmallow. The plus point in S8 is that the loudspeaker will be of stereo types. Now I'll be talking about the features which both the smartphone possess. So both the smartphone has non-removable 4000 mAh battery, iris scanner, fingerprint scanner, wireless charging and many other stuffs. Now as per the rumor, the price of S8 will be around 58,000 rupees, whereas for Mi6 the price will be around 27,000 rupees. So at the end, I would just say that Mi6 has came up with excellent features. So if you want a smartphone which has a greater key features and at optimum cost, I would suggest you to go with Mi6. Whereas if you want to stick to a higher branding, Samsung S8 will be the best option. So that's it for today guys. I hope you found my video helpful. If it is so, hit the like button. If you have any suggestions and queries, mention in the comment box. Do share it, and for getting updated with my forthcoming videos, hit the subscribe button. Till then, your friend Saurabh signs off.